Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Futurecar. What if Ferrari decided to build a car that looks less like a machine and more like a rolling piece of art? Well, that's exactly what the Ferrari SP-8 feels like. This is not just another supercar. This is one of Ferrari's most exclusive and futuristic creations ever made. And honestly, the moment you see it, you immediately understand this car is something special. The Ferrari SP-8 has a design that feels aggressive, elegant, and futuristic at the same time. Every line on the body looks carefully sculpted for both beauty and performance. The front of the car looks incredibly sharp and aerodynamic. The ultra-slim LED headlights give it a futuristic appearance, while the massive air intakes help improve cooling and airflow at high speed. From the side profile, the SP-8 looks absolutely stunning. The body flows smoothly from front to rear, like a concept car from the future. And because this is a special Ferrari creation, the design feels far more exclusive than traditional Ferrari models. The open-top roadster design makes the car feel even more dramatic. There's no roof separating you from the sound of the engine, the wind, and the full driving experience. And that's where the magic of this car truly begins. Because the Ferrari SP-8 is not built only for speed, it's built for emotion. At the rear, the futuristic taillights, aggressive diffuser, and sculpted bodywork give the car an incredibly powerful presence. Every angle of this machine looks cinematic. And when the sunlight hits the paintwork, the reflections across the curves make the SP-8 feel like a moving sculpture. But now, let's talk about performance, because under this beautiful design, there's still a true Ferrari monster hiding underneath. The Ferrari SP-8 delivers insane acceleration, razor-sharp handling, and an engine sound that feels absolutely unforgettable. The moment the engine starts, the entire car comes alive. The exhaust note is deep, exotic, and emotional. This is the kind of sound that gives car enthusiasts goosebumps. Acceleration feels brutal. The car launches forward instantly with explosive power. And thanks to Ferrari's advanced aerodynamics and lightweight construction, the SP-8 feels incredibly stable even at very high speeds. The steering feels precise. Every corner feels sharp. Every movement feels connected. This car doesn't just drive fast, it makes the driver feel alive. Now, step inside and everything changes. The interior feels luxurious, futuristic, and completely driver-focused. You immediately notice Ferrari's signature cockpit design. The dashboard wraps around the driver like a fighter jet cockpit. Premium leather, carbon fiber, Alcantara, and metallic accents create an atmosphere that feels sporty and expensive at the same time. Large digital displays provide real-time driving information while keeping the cabin clean and futuristic. And despite being a high-performance supercar, the SP-8 still feels elegant and refined inside. Ambient lighting adds a premium atmosphere, while the open-top design makes every drive feel cinematic. But what truly makes the Ferrari SP-8 special is exclusivity. This is not a car you see every day. This is the type of Ferrari built for collectors, enthusiasts, and people who want something truly unique. The Ferrari SP-8 is not trying to be practical. It's trying to create emotion. And honestly, that's exactly what Ferrari does best. So, the real question is the Ferrari SP-8 one of the most beautiful modern Ferraris ever created? Because after seeing this machine, it's very hard to say no. So, if you liked this video, trust me, you don't want to miss what's next. Click on the video on your screen right now, and I'll see you there. And don't forget to subscribe to Futurecar, because this is just the beginning.